Welcome to another episode from House Talk channel. If you are watching first time my channel, my name is Joseph. We live in North Carolina, Raleigh area. We are in Zone 7B. House Talks mostly shares the videos about the home gardening and as well as the home interior stuff, home improvement kind of stuffs and all. And there are a lot of very useful content videos in the House Talks. You can just go and watch. And this episode is mostly about the gardening stuff. Last year, I have shared a couple of videos, mostly about my front yard. But this year, I have worked on mostly on the potted plants. This year, I bought a couple of new planters, and we have already some old planters containers, but we bought a couple of new containers and put the plants. So I want to share what I did, and I want to share each part and what are the plants I planted in the each part. And I hope you are going to enjoy this episode. Please share your comments in the comment section, and if you are watching first time and not subscribed yet to House Talk channel, please subscribe to House Talks. Here we have three 16-inch planters at tree ring area of the front yard. These are new planters, purchased a few months ago from Lowe's. I planted 3 to 4 small plants in each part. Just take a look at. At Porch staircase area, I placed a couple of planters. Some of these planters are really very old, but these wooden planters I purchased last year at the end of the season from Home Depot. I really like the design of these planters. It's a wide open and easy to maintain. And one of the wooden planter is really a large and rectangle shape. So I like the design of it. We had dipladenia plants, red color ones, the last few years. But in the last winter season, these plants couldn't make it well, so I had to replace with a different set of new dipladenia plants. I picked the pink color this year. That's really, blooming really very well. Most of the planters in my front porch area are few years old, except one or two, especially the tall planter. This is definitely a new addition to my planters collection this year. I like the way, yeah, the design and all. So I try to just plant the small to mid sized plants in it. I hope you like the content of this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and post your comments in the comments area. And if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe to our stock channel. Thank you.